So the first thing I'm going to kind of give you as a gift for all of those who are here for the very first time is all of your feelings are appropriate. What we're here to do is to not eliminate sadness and fear, but it's to increase our capacity to feel it. Let me say that again, because this is the distinction between this work and any other therapy that you've ever done. We're not here to eliminate negative emotions. You are here, some of you for the very first time, just dipping your toe into the pool to see, is this some sort of a cult? Or, you're here to expand your capacity to fully feel, embrace, metabolize, and alchemize all of your feelings. Alchemy is turning lead into gold. And healing requires alchemy. Whereas most healing paths before I started to do this work, which involves the somatics, was really about gaslighting a big part of me. My fear, my sadness, my self-doubt was all unacceptable, and I'm here to get rid of it. And hear me now and believe me later. You're not here to get rid of it because it's a part of you. You're here to expand your capacity to hold and receive it. The greater your capacity to hold and contain your shame, the greater your direction in life.